Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. And today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the RAYMCRAFT keyboard case and mouse combo for the iPad Air 5th generation. Alright? Now, as stated in the beginning of the video, this is another product that came into the channel thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But I will have a live product listing located down below in the video description, and I will put up in the video in post how much this product is actually selling for on Amazon right now. And as always, all the links located down below in the video description are affiliated by links. So that does mean that I do get a small percentage of commission that I put directly back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So if you do decide to make your purchase of this product using the affiliate buy links located down below in the video description, that does go towards helping out the channel, and that is at no additional cost to you guys and gals. But I will have the pricing for this thrown up in the video in post, and I will have those live links linked down below in the video description. But let's get into unboxing this so I can get into using it, so I can get into writing up my full review on it and publishing it on Amazon. This way I can get into doing my video coverage on this product as well. Can't do one until we do the other, so let's get into this. So starting off here, let's talk about the packaging and presentation. And I have to say, RAYMCRAFT, you guys did a great job on this one. Really nice image of the product up front here and some of the different ways that you can use it. And then they also have a friendly reminder here of how you reverse your scrolling for your mouse. Alright, I did have to look up how to do that because my mouse, it was scrolling reverse and I had to look up how to do that. So very nice of them to put that on their packaging so you don't have to go looking around for it later on. Really good stuff there. Now, one of the main reasons why I decided to pick this up was because I wanted a better case. Now, the case that I picked up with my iPad Air 5th generation, it was good, but it really didn't give me too many viewing angles. And like I didn't really like that screen protector that came with it, so I took that off. Okay? But primarily why I picked this up is because I wanted something that gives me more of a laptop type feel. And even further still, when I'm not using it as a laptop, I want to have multiple viewing angles that I can prop it up at. Okay? But really, really good stuff there. That's one of the reasons why when I saw this on the Amazon review catalog, I was like, okay, I'll review this one. But let's get it out the box. But really nice overall packaging and presentation here. Okay? Really good stuff there. And they even give you a nice walkthrough of how to set it up on the back here, step by step. Really good stuff there. Okay? Anyways, it's enough talk. Let's get it out the box. Okay? So cracking the top here. We have all of the accessories here. So we should have the mouse, which is right here. And then we should have the keyboard case as well. Alright, which is right here. Okay. And let me just double check. Nothing else in the package here. Okay. Can rest this off to the side. Okay. And let's take this out the sleeve here. Alright. So I did get the dark blue version. This does come in a variety of different colors. Again, check out the B-roll that I have thrown up in the video in post. But I did get the dark blue because dark blue is one of my favorite colors. Okay, so y'all already knew if given the option I was going to get either blue or black. But here it is. So it just folds open like this. Nice protective insert right here. Fully protected keyboard right here. And it does give you the slot so you can magnetically charge your Apple Pencil as well. Really good stuff there. Let's take out these inserts. Throw this off to the side. Take out the keyboard case here. Got the silica gel. Gonna throw that off to the side as well. Take out the little keyboard out of this little protective sleeve. Very, very nicely packaged, I have to say. Okay. And then you get more instructions in here as well. So not only do you get the instructions on the back of the box, but you do get a nice instruction manual here as well. Throw that off to the side. This should be very, very straightforward. So here's the keyboard case that I was holding upside down like a noob. But this looks very, very nice. And you can connect it to multiple devices. So really, really good stuff there as well. Alright. Very solid feedback on here as well. I really do like the color. This blue and white is very, very nice. Okay. Let's rest this off to the side real quickly. And let's take a look at the case itself. So really nice folio case here. Really nice protective pattern on the back here to protect your device. Got the cutouts for your volume rockers, the power button, and the cameras. And you should be able to prop up your tablet in multiple angles here. So that's what the ridges are for. So you can do multiple angles. So yeah, this is what I wanted. So I can do multiple angles here, or I can fold it closed. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Because the other one only really gave me one angle. Whereas with this one, I get multiple angles. And I can always attach the keyboard here. Because I always have space to have the keyboard attached here. But even if I want to use it without the keyboard, it should work perfectly fine. Alright? So, give me a little bit now. Let me go ahead and clean off my tablet and then drop it in. And I'm going to give y'all my first impressions with the tablet installed and with the keyboard connected. Oh, one more thing. We should probably check out the mouse as well. So here is the mouse. Okay. And again, the mouse comes in the same colors as the keyboard. So multiple different colors here. Good stuff. Let's crack into this. Alright, so I gotta show y'all everything. So here is the mouse. Nice little slim mouse. And it is rechargeable with USB Type-C. I'm really happy to see that. And this should be a Bluetooth mouse as well. So everything connects via Bluetooth, which is really, really nice. Let me get these out of here. Okay, so really, really nice. And again, it matches the keyboard. So you got the blue and the white combination, which is really, really nice. White is also another one of my favorite colors. So y'all can see why I kind of went with this combination. Anyways, just wanted to show y'all that real quickly. Now, let me pause the video real quick and let me install my tablet in here, get everything connected up, and give y'all the first impressions of how everything is performing, and then we'll wrap the video up. So give me 1 second. I'll be right back with everyone for the final clip, and then we'll wrap the video up. Alright, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, so we're back now, and I have everything all set up, and I just wanted to show y'all this before I got into the first impressions. Now, you can see here for the keyboard, it's labeled as Bluetooth keyboard, right there. And then for the mouse, it's labeled as BT 5.2 mouse. Alright, these are the factory names of the keyboard and the mouse out of the box. And it was very, very straightforward to set them up. Okay, you turn them on. You click connect for the keyboard. That puts it into pairing mode. You go into the Bluetooth settings here. You tap on Bluetooth keyboard and it's going to connect up. You tap pair to confirm the pairing process and you're good. Same thing for the mouse. You turn it on. It automatically goes into pairing mode here. And then you tap BT 5.2 mouse. And you tap pair to confirm the pairing process. And then it's all connected up. So really, really good stuff there. And I gotta tell y'all, this is working really, really nicely. So now I can navigate my whole iPad like a tablet. Okay? So whether I want to type, whatever I want to do. And this is how I prefer to edit my videos, with a keyboard and a mouse. Because then I get that granular control. And what's really nice about this also is that this keyboard is backlit. Now I don't know how well you can tell because my studio lights are very bright, but this is backlit and it does have multiple different colors as well. So you can see I just had it on pink. Now this one is like a light blue. Alright? And then you tap it again, it turns off. And then you can do it like that and cycle it through the colors. So this is a darker blue and that goes off. Right? So not only is it a really nice keyboard, but it is backlit with multiple colors. So if you're going to be using this in a dark environment and you still want to make sure you can see the keys, just go ahead and set it to whatever color you would like. And then as you use it, you can see the keys and use it. So even if you're using it in a darker environment, you should be good to go. Or if you're the type of person like myself that doesn't like too much RGB, you just tap that button till it turns off. And now you can use it in regular keyboard mode. Alright? So good stuff there. Good stuff there indeed. Alright? So first impressions of the RAYMCRAFT keyboard and mouse combo. It does seem to be really, really good. Now I am going to use this for about a week. Okay? Then I'm going to come back with my full review for everyone on this keyboard and mouse combo for the iPad Air. Okay? Now, this might be slightly delayed because, as always, I do have to take some time and get my full written review out first and make sure that gets published to Amazon, and then I will come back and do my full video review. It's only right because Amazon was nice enough to invite me into their Vine program, and they're nice enough to send out these products completely free of charge to the channel. So it's only right that I use the products and I submit a full written review on Amazon. It's only right to do that first before I dive into my video review. Alright? That being said, that does it for today's video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below and clicking off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Alright? That being said, today's video was recorded with the rear-facing primary cameras on the iPhone 15 Plus in 1080p at 30 FPS, and I am using my Comica microphone to record all the audio for today's video. So please let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality as well as the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all of your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep your feedback respectful, please. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.